Last class we have discussed about how to download the MongoDB. Yes. So that is not installed. I'm installing that. Now here downloads. So this is MongoDB for Windows. Double click on this and next. So already in my system MongoDB is installed. That's what it is asking me. You want to change or repair or remove. Change. But in your system first time it will not display this. Next. And install MongoDB Compass. Don't check this, uncheck because it is IDE installing, so it takes much time. And we are using Studio 3T IDE, right? Yeah. Now next. So for you install button is there. Click on that. Now installation process is going on. What is the MongoDB version 7.0? Now click on this, finish. Yes. It is installed successfully. Next thing is Studio 3T is here. Yes. So this is also we downloaded. We need to install this. Double click on this. Now next. So click on this as installation process is going on. Now next. Next. Yes, here in this location already existed displays. Again, I selected the override option. Yes, click on this, finish. Yes, Studio 3D is open. Okay. Now in the Studio 3D, connections are there. So first let me click on this connection. So in your system it displays like this. Okay. First we need to create one connection. New connection is selected. Now in this new connection, manual connection or any URL related connection. Just I'm using manual connection. Click on this manual. Yes. Now here, next, here the default port number of MongoDB is 27017 and connection name we are providing. So here CONN new I have given and just click on this save. So if you observe this, the new connection is created. What is that name? CONN new. Click on this connect. Like that, first we need to create one connection. After that, it display the databases. So these are the databases we have. Now new database I'm creating. So add new database. Name is Angular 730 argument. Okay. This is one database. Angular 730. Now in this database, I want to create the tables and all. So collections we are using. So these collections main purpose is creating the tables. So means collection is nothing but table. So right click add new collection. Yes. What the name of collection? TBL underscore user. Click on this create. Now one collection is created. Yes. Yeah. Now in this collection means nothing but table. Inside this collection, we are inserting the records. Yes. Now this is run button. Just click on this run. In this, you can see add record. Okay. New record. This is edit record and so one see record, view record, okay, view document. So we are installing the documents here. So documents are nothing but records. Okay. Now if I click on this, yeah. So data should be in JSON format. MongoDB data should be in JSON format. Uname Scott and city Hyderabad. So click on this add document. Now you can see one document is created. Right? What the name? Uname. How many properties we have? Again, two properties, uname and city. And ID is one more property which is applied automatically. Yes, like that, these are the main properties which we have. Yes, yeah. Uname Scott, city Hyderabad, and next one underscore ID, that is object ID I have given here, like that. So that is our ID I did not provide automatically. When we are inserting a new record, ID will be added. Okay. Yes. This is the way how to add the document. So this is about MongoDB. So we need to install this and create one collection. So we are working with CRUD operations. Okay, in this CRUD operations, so we are connecting with this table. What is the table? TBL underscore user. So for that purpose, already we installed this one. For that purpose only, we installed this one. Yes. Yeah. So is this clear? Any doubts? Hmm? I hope you
Sir,
clear
for
it.
every object, for every object, one ID will be created, right?
Yeah, auto edit is generating for every object. Yes. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. What is the next question? Any other question? No. So all of install this the two. One is okay, MongoDB. Another one is Studio 3T. Okay. Now I am creating one program. Before that, I will show you one thing. Yes. This is backend APIs for CRUD operation. So let me open with Edit Plus. Yes. We have methods like get date is one method, insert date is one method, delete date is one method, and update date is one method. Like that, these are the four methods which we have. Yes. Yeah. Get data, insert data, next one, delete data, and update data. So these methods we are calling from our Angular application. And here at the time of deleting data, we are passing some properties. Yes. So what is the property we are passing? Underscore ID is one property. Which record you want to delete? And at the time of updating the data, we are passing, yes, some properties. What are the properties? Okay. So one is OID is one property. Next one, UN is one property. And next one, CT is one property. Like that, these three properties we need to pass. Actually, these are four API services. What are the names of these API services? One is get data. Next one, insert data. And next one, delete data and update data. So at the time of calling this delete data and update data, we are passing the properties here. So what are those properties? Okay. What is that payload we will discuss later. So first we are working with that insert data and get data. Yes. So this is the file directly I'm using. Okay. So this file copy I will give you. You should keep in your project folder. You know how to run this Node.js program. What is the command to run the Node.js program? So which command you are using to run the Node.js program? Hmm?
Node sir.
Nodemon. Yes, no. So you are using that Nodemon command. Okay. So this is one file contains four API services implemented in Node.js to work with the CRUD operations. Yes, this file contains four API services to work with the CRUD operations. That is the main concept of this. Okay, fine. Now open the class folder. So any questions you have till now? So have you practiced the yesterday that API service communication? What about Prashant, Gautam, Gautami, Arun?
So yesterday missed class actually.
Yesterday missed the class. Then video? Is video
No,
uploaded?
actually I have checked but not uploaded actually.
Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, I will upload that video. So you want me to upload video and you want me continue the crowd operations program for, or you want to follow first and after that you want to attend this program? I forget.
We'll
Same
continue.
issue.
We'll continue, sir. We'll practice today.
Yeah, so here those two videos you should practice then. Okay. Yeah, yesterday I forgot to upload. I will upload the yesterday video also. Yeah. Fine. So now I am creating one project. In your folder location, go to the class. Inside this another class we have. So yesterday we discussed how to connect with the Node.js API services and how to work with the get and post methods, right? So that is the concept only we discussed in last class. Yes or no? Yeah. So this program also I will upload today.
Okay.
Now new project I am creating. Now you tell me how to work with that step by step. First, let me create the new project. So you got the clarity how to create the table in MongoDB. I mean collection, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now ng new hyphen hyphen no hyphen standalone. Yes, ng new hyphen hyphen no hyphen standalone. Okay, now third app. Create, read, update, and delete. Okay. Yes. No need to create the node module since no need to install those node modules. Open Visual Studio Code. This. Open folder. Third app. App component.html. So hi message I have given. Start the server. npm ng ser- yes, server is started. Now open Chrome localhost 4200 displays hi message. And next point is yes. So this is the server file which we have. Third API is that's the file which we have. Okay, that file just drag and drop in this project location. Okay. Yes. So actually server-side programmer implemented these methods, assume like that. Now your requirement is in this API, one API is the get data. And what is our database? Angular 730. And see that once Studio 3D is not this one. Is it closed? Yes. Connect. Already one connection we created. So this is our database. Angular 730. There one collection is there. What that? tbl underscore user. Fine. So same table we are used in this API services. Database is Angular 730. Okay. So this method I want to call. So here I am taking one button control input type is equal to button. Value is equal to just click or get data event. Yes. What the value? Get data. So that is the value I have given. Okay. Fine. Now save this. And here the button is there. Now you tell me when I click on this button, I want to connect with that API service. Which API service? Get data API service. Then how can I? Arun, Gautam, Prashant, how can I connect with this? First, we need to call one function, right?
Event.
What the event? Click is equal to fn get
Click.
data. App dot component dot ts. Yes, I given fn get data. Yeah, what the next statement here? Hmm? Someone fast.
Service call.
Oh, what is that?
Get API. Get API call.
Get API, how can I call? For that, we need to take the support of.
We need to import HTTP client, sir.
Typically,
Very good. Import
Then
typically
yeah.
mode.
API client. Yes. Here in constructor,
And in module,
yeah, module also I will write. First of all, HTTP colon HTTP client have private HTTP colon. What is the HTTP client? Now here in this, yeah, Restored HTTP dot. So get, because this API is created with get method. Get dot subscribe DT. So here you need to place, yes, this URL address. Okay. So what the port number? 1000. http:// localhost 1000/ yes, get data. Copy, paste. Yes, I given http:// localhost 1000/ get data given. Yes. This clear? Yes. Now, the next thing is, so it gives one property. So what is the property? Result is coming here. Console.log dt dot result. Yeah, here dt doesn't have result property. It is coming at runtime. That's why any I have given. Now when I use HTTP client, yes, we need to use HTTP client module. Okay, otherwise it will give the error here. Okay, yes. Now go to this app.module.ts file. In this file, I'm using HTTP client module. Yes. So I've given this HTTP client module here. Yes, got it. Yeah. Fine. Right, click on this, right click, inspect, one error you will get. So just or that connection failed. Why? Because server file is not started. Yes. Yeah, the server file is not started. Then how can I start this? What the command we are using? Nodemon start apis.js. So click on this undefined you got. Yes, why undefined? So here data I'm printing. Okay. City Hyderabad uname spot like that. Yeah, so DT is enough. Direct result they're passing without any property. Okay, direct result from database. So that DT contains result. Yes. Yeah. Now I want to display this information in the tabular format. Before that, one more collection I want to store. Okay. So double click on this table underscore user. Yeah. Add collection. Now you name. Okay. Amit and city. Okay. Chennai. Now if I click on this, two records you got now. So one is Scott record. Another one is Amit record, like that. Yes. Yeah. Now that result we are storing in a variable. Okay. Yes. Now here table underscore data colon any I have given. Yes. Yes. Now here this is the table underscore data is equal to data. So what is that? This dot table underscore data is equal to just given dt. This clear? Yes. Now I want to print this table data in the browser. Yeah, two objects it displays now. Yes. So in case JSON pipe, if I use pipes not covered, I will discuss later. Now, so this is first object up to here. ID, uname, and city. And this is second object, like that we have these two objects. Table border is equal to 1 pixel of tr. Ng for is equal to let one row of what is that tbl underscore what is the table data. How many times this tr executes? Two times because we have two records. Now here td one row underscore id I am printing. One second. Yes, this is the first TD. Now second TD. One row dot uname. And third TD. One row dot city. So here ng for every time we are getting one record in this variable. Now you can see we are getting the output like this. Now open the command prompt. I want to install the Bootstrap. So now npm install boot. I want to use Bootstrap now. So that package is installing. Bootstrap is installing. It is taking some time. Yes. Now here, yeah, the refresh it, data we are getting. So this table I want to style. First go to that. So CSS file. There at the rate import dot slash node module slash bootstrap slash dist slash css slash what the file bootstrap dot min dot css. This is the file which we are using now. So now it will apply the bootstrap and now come to this table. So first of all, I am using table heading t head. So there, so ID one heading I have given. It displays ID. Next one more th username displays username and one more th city. It displays city line. And this is the body. Now click on this, we are getting the output. For this table, class is equal to bootstrap class table hyphen striped I have given. So now we can see this. When I click on this, it is coming like this. And border, just I'm removing this one. Now click on this, we are getting the output. But initial state, I don't want to display this table. Headings are coming. So when refresh, headings are coming. So if data is there, then only I want to display these headings, enter table. So that's why ng if is equal to what the variable we have. Yeah, this table data dot length is not equal to 0. Means if it is empty, then we don't display. When I click on this, then length is 2. We are getting the output like this. Is it clear? Yes. This is the first step which we have. Got it. Yes. So this is clear or any doubts? So now the second thing is without get data, without button, I want to call this function at the time of loading the application. Now in this constructor, just call this function. So this dot fn get data. Now, so when the application loading, that time so I will do one thing. So I'm using ng on init. Now refresh it. What happened to this? Okay. Once close this ng sir and again run this ng sir. Now, yeah, it is coming. There is no error. So sometimes it is giving that compiler giving that issue, then restart that. Now we can remove the button because we are calling. Actually, what is this ng on in it? You don't know about this. That's why I'm taking this inside the constructor. Okay. Now same result you're getting. I will discuss hooks concept later. Then you can get the idea. So just now you can see display the table like that. Yes, yeah. So we are getting the records from the table and backend table. Okay, and displaying in that Angular program. And we use it that Bootstrap for the design view. Now the next concept is insert API I want to call. Before that, here I want to take two text boxes. If user enter any data in these two text boxes, the data I want to send to the API service. In that API service, that programmer already returned to insert the records in the table. Okay. So if you observe this API service, where is that? Insert data. Okay. Then already save command, everything available. So we need to pass some data. So by using post method, we are calling this API service. and we need to pass some data. That data is nothing but username, password. 2 text box values we need to pass. So that we will discuss in next class, because you did not practice yesterday concept also. So that's why first to practice these concepts yesterday and today's program. So then in next class you can understand it easily. Okay. So any doubts, any questions you have, now you can ask me. So no worries about this API creations, how to create that API services. So no need to worry about that. So that is not your role. So server-side programmer will work on this. Your main concept is how to work with front end, Angular. So this is the main program. Okay. Yes. And this one. These are the main things. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions you have? Fine. Then I will upload into server yesterday and today videos as well as this node programs also can download and practice. Tomorrow we will discuss update, delete, and insert these 3 concepts. Okay. Fine. See you next class. You can drop.